Hey guys, welcome back. All right, today it's not really a home project or anything like that. It's just my wife and I, we bought a 10x10 kennel, an outside kennel for our dogs. Well, we just got a German Shepard, and then we've had a Catahoula, but we want to give them a pen, well, one of them a pen, so they can have some free roam, because I don't want to keep them on a lead, and that's not really good for them. But just for like the times that like I don't have times to play with them, I can just throw them in the kennel real quick and let them get some exercise. So I'm gonna attempt to put this together. The instructions did say it is a 2-person job and I am 1 person, so might take me a couple of days. I've never put a kennel together, and I know that there's a fence I got to attach to it, and it's gonna be a learning experience for sure. So I won't do like a time lapse of me putting it together, just because I don't know what I'm doing and I don't know how long it's going to take. But I will update you throughout the video with clips of the progress and how it goes. So here we go. Okay, we've got all of our parts laid out. Got a box of stuff that's going to hold it all together. And these are all the pieces. Sorry, it's a little windy out here. A little cold too, a little chilly. Yeah, so I have no clue what I'm doing, but that's why they make instructions. So I guess it's time to just start putting it together. All right, so we got the frame all put together. I laid out the whole fence piece for the door. That's the door. So all that's left is I got to put the fencing on the door, put the door on, and then put the fencing around that, and then put the roof tarp on, and we're good. So we'll come back when I think I put the door on. I'll come back. All right. Almost done. All right, guys. Sorry, I sound a little rough. I'm a little sick this morning, but we finished putting on the fence last night. It was a little dark, so I couldn't film it. So there's that. The last thing we have to do, put the tarp on, and then she's good. So let me go do that real quick. And now the roof is on, and I did it all by myself. All right, till next time.